Good morning, students. This is chapter 10, Habitat and Adaptations. In the part 3, we will learn about habitat and its types. Now starts habitats. What is habitat? Living organism, this is just related to environment. Living organisms are found everywhere on the earth. Yes, it is true. All part of the earth, they are filled with living organism, either plant or animal, or both. Living organisms are found everywhere on the earth. Our earth comprises of areas with varied temperature ranging from 56.7 degrees Celsius. That is called Death Valley, and they are located in USA, America, to minus 89.2 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. Antarctica is a polar region. Varied terrain. So you can see in this earth, one place is so hot, 56.7 degrees Celsius, and one place is so cold, minus 89. At 0 degree, ice is formed, minus 89. Just imagine. And both the places are found on this earth. Varied terrain ranging from desert to grassland, landforms such as mountains to plants, and plateau. Plateau means mountains which has flat top, and water bodies also, sea, ocean, river, water bodies. The different part of the earth are home or habitat to different animals and plants. Different part of the earth are the homes for different animals and plants. Habitat is a natural environment. This is the definition. Habitat is a natural environment where a species can survive and raise their young ones. Means here they reproduce, and the animals living in this habitat develop unique features. To live at this region, they have developed some unique features also that enable them to live in that habitat. Means उस जगह पे रहने के लिए उनके बॉडी में some changes occur. In the for this they take years and years, and then they develop a unique feature that is called adaptation, and then they survive in that habitat. This is called adaptation. Look, adaptation is a modification in an organism or its parts that make it fit for existence under the condition of its environment. Adaptation क्या है? Adaptation is a modification in the organism in their whole body or in the parts of their body for the existence, वहाँ पे रहने के लिए, under the condition of its environment. Now come to types of habitat and their adaptation. They are categorized into 4 types: terrestrial, aquatic, aerial, arboreal. Terrestrial means जो जमीन पे रहता है, aquatic जो पानी में रहेगा, aerial जो हवा में रहता है, animals, and arboreal जो पेड़ पे रहता है. Understood? Now let's start one by one. Terrestrials. These types of habitat are the ones that are found on land. जो जमीन पे है, that is called terrestrial. And जमीन पे क्या है? Forest, grassland, desert, and extremely cold poles, South Pole, North Pole, and mountains. All are terrestrial habitat. because they are part of land. Let's look one by one. First, forest. A forest is an area which has lots of trees growing together. Forest, you know forest? Lots of trees grow together, intermingled. In some places, trees are so close that sky is not visible from the ground. So compact, so tightly they are grown. There are three main kind of forest. There are sorry. First is tropical rainforest. There are three main kinds of forest. First is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforests are found near the equator. They are known as rainforest. Means the forest where rains are maximum. The year-round high temperature and rainfall means temperature is also maximum and rain is also maximum are the ideal condition of these rainforest. So they are called rainforest. Many species of plants and animals live in the tropical rainforest. This is the best of a forest. Dense growing trees create a thick canopy layer in the tropical rainforest that keep the sun from penetrating to the lower layer of the forest. इतना ज़्यादा थिक होता है कि वो सनलाइट भी पेनिट्रेट करके नीचे तक नहीं आ पाता है. This means the most animals that live in tropical forests adapt to living in or under these trees completely or partially. Moreover, with warm temperature and abundance of food तो यहाँ पे बहुत है. These forests creates high competition among animals. So there, because of the food is plenty here, so there is too much of plants and too much of animals. So there is a much competition. अब बहुत competition है तो क्या होगा? How will they get their food? To get their food, to prevent from the predator, अपने शिकार से बचने के लिए they develop some changes into their body. What are they? Look, first adaptive features of animals in the rainforest. जो इतना जंगल में रहता है, how they save from predators. Predators means शिकार. Prey means predator means शिकारी and prey means शिकार. Camouflage. Camouflage means blending with one's background help both predator and prey. Blending with surrounding. This is camouflage. Camouflage is a word, means they can blend their body color according to the surrounding. If surrounding is green, they can change their body color green. If the surrounding is brown, they can change their body color brown. This is called camouflage. And this helps both predator and prey also. Predator जो शिकार कर रहा है उसको भी तो शिकार उसको चाहिए. जो क्या कहते हैं, जो शिकारी है, जो प्रीडेटर है, जैसे कि लायन इज ए प्रीडेटर एंड डियर इज ए प्रे. बोथ want to save their life, so they have camouflage. They have adaptation. They can change their body color. Predator for hunt and prey prevent from the hunting. एक को दोनों को बचना है ना. Where competition is rampant because there is too much of food, too much of plant, too much of animals. Tropical rainforest. Animals such as chameleon and leaf insect. Chameleon means a type of chipkili or girgit. This is chameleon. Look, it changes color. So there is a muhavra also in Hindi, गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलना बोलते हैं ना. This is chameleon. This is leopard. It has changes the slightly change with the color of the trunk. Trunk is brown, so it changes its color brown to just to मतलब match with the environment, match with the surrounding. And this is a insect, leaf insect, looks like leaf. तो दूर से पता ही नहीं चलेगा. Predator will think this is a leaf, and so that it can save their life. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you so much.